dance is called Jealous of the Sun. It's a 32 count, 4 walks. No tag, no restart. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Side, rock, recover, side, together, quarter. Step, half turn, make another half quarter turn, side, together, side. I repeat section 1. Side, rock, recover, side, together, quarter. Step, half turn, make another quarter to your left, side, together, side. So with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2. Back, side, forward, shuffle, sway forward with the right, sway back, forward, shuffle. Section 2. Back to the side, forward, shuffle. Sway right, sway back, forward, shuffle. Section 2 with a count. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So now section 3. Rock, recover, quarter chassé or quarter shuffle. Cross, side, make a quarter to your right. Quarter, side, forward. So section 3. Rock, recover, quarter chassé, cross, side, make a quarter to the right, quarter, step, forward. Section 3 with the count. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Last section. Forward walk with the left, walk right, make a half turn, and make a quarter turn. Step, step, step your left to the side, and step, step. So last section, walk, walk, step half turn, step quarter turn. Step your left next to right, step, step. Step your left to the side, and use your right to step, step. With a count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and you finish the dance here. So let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and you finish the dance.